still test for TOS. Okay. So simply,
Sa tungatas, alas.
and then abduct and track and externally rotate the shoulder or the arm. And then this time, turn the patient's head towards the test side. Okay? And then, let the patient inhale. Okay? Take a deep breath. Then monitor the radial pulse. So still, absent or kanang diminished na pulse, that's a positive sign. Okay, next.
Para sa thoracic
So this
syndrome sa to.
time,
Outlet
abduct
syndrome,
and
TOS.
retract and externally rotate the arm. Then turn the patient's head and then hyperextend the neck. Okay? And then
Si Princess
inhale,
mo na
exhale.
kaya may nag-princess.
Name
na princess. Unsa tong ganina before sa Allen? Before sa Adson, Allen my first.
Alan, dayon.
Breathing.
Alan, dili.
Okay, retract, extend the head.
Ano na. Hindi to. Klaro ko. Unsa mo
Okay, so the patient is negative for TOS.